Welcome to Review Rumble. The best New Year's kit is probably one of the most exciting ways to ring in the new year, offering a curated selection of items designed to help you celebrate, reflect, and set intentions for the year ahead. Imagine unboxing a collection of goodies that perfectly capture the spirit of fresh beginnings, from festive decorations and celebratory treats to tools for personal growth and organization, all chosen to enhance your New Year's Eve experience and kickstart your journey into the next 12 months with joy and purpose. Number 5. Midnight New Year's Eve Party Kit for 25. Get ready to ring in the new year with our ultimate party kit. It's designed to serve up to 25 guests, ensuring everyone can join the celebration. This comprehensive assortment includes everything you need for a fantastic New Year's Eve bash. From decorations to party favors, we've got you covered. Set the festive mood with included banners and a vibrant tassel garland. These decorations are perfect for creating a celebratory atmosphere. Equip your guests with fun accessories like paper hats, tiaras, horns, squawkers, and blowouts. They'll love adding these to their festive attire. Add a pop of color with balloons and festive leis for everyone. It's the perfect way to make your New Year's Eve unforgettable. Celebrate your New Year's Eve in style with Oojami. This kit provides all the essentials for a memorable party for 25. What we like. This kit is designed for larger gatherings, serving up to 25 guests. It comes with a wide assortment of party essentials like hats, tiaras, horns, balloons, and leis. If you're hosting a big New Year's Eve bash and want a comprehensive set to equip all your guests with festive gear, this is a great choice. What people say. The curtains reach from ceiling to the floor. The colors are perfect and the quality is really nice. The decor was just as vivid in person as online. Number 4. AMSCAN Fantasy 2025 New Year's Eve Decorations Party Supplies. Get ready to throw the ultimate New Year's Eve bash with this comprehensive party kit. It includes everything you need to celebrate in style. This set features 50 festive cone hats and 50 dazzling glitter tiaras, all adorned with Happy New Year, to get everyone in the celebratory mood. Let the good times roll with 50 foil horns and 50 blowouts. Your guests will ring in the new year with excitement and a bang. Add a touch of sparkle to your celebration with 50 metallic gold and silver leis. They're the perfect accessory for your guests to wear. This value set provides all the essential black, gold, and silver accessories, decorations, and noisemakers needed for up to 100 guests. Pair this bundle with our other New Year's Eve decorations and tableware for a truly unforgettable celebration. Make this a night to remember. What we like. This is the ultimate party pack, capable of serving up to 100 guests with a dazzling array of accessories. It features 50 cone hats, 50 glitter tiaras, 50 foil horns, 50 blowouts, and 50 metallic gold and silver leis. If you're planning an epic New Year's Eve celebration for a massive crowd and want to ensure everyone gets a touch of sparkle and fun, this is the kit for you. What people say. Will be great for years to come with my friends. Love the variation. Goodbye, and the items looked great. I hosted a small party, so I have tons left over for at least 2 more New Year's Eve party. We own a small bar and have a New Year's party every year, and these are always perfect for decorating for our customers. This is the 3rd year we have ordered them, and I'll be ordering them again next year. Number 3. Oojami New Year's Eve Party Kit for 12. Get ready to ring in the new year with our comprehensive party kit. It's designed to serve up to 12 guests, ensuring everyone can join the celebration. This assortment includes all the essentials for a memorable New Year's Eve. From festive decorations to fun party favors, we've got you covered. Adorn your space with a vibrant Happy New Year banner and a stylish tassel garland. These decorations set the perfect celebratory mood. Equip your guests with 6 DIY paper hats and 6 tiaras for a touch of fun and flair. Plus, 6 horns and 6 squawkers to make some noise. Add a pop of color with 15 balloons and 15 swirls. Complete the festive look with 2 shimmering fringe curtains. Make your New Year's Eve unforgettable with Oojami. This kit provides everything you need for a fantastic party of 12. What we like. This kit is perfect for smaller, more intimate New Year's Eve gatherings, serving up to 12 guests. It includes essential decorations like banners, swirls, and DIY paper hats, along with other fun accessories. If you're looking for a convenient and complete party set for a smaller group of friends or family, this option offers a great balance of essentials. What people say. Gave the house some cheer, and my kids even helped out the banner together themselves. The box was very organized and the decorations are great. Loved that it came with a lot of different things. Number 2. MVVMTOP Christmas Diamond Painting Kits Tabletop Decoration. Create your own festive sparkle this holiday season with our easy-to-use diamond painting kits. Perfect for adding a personal touch to your home decor. Crafted with durable acrylic and high-performance adhesive, our kits ensure your beautiful creations stay vibrant and intact. The high-definition patterns and bright colors are waterproof and fade-proof. Transform any space into a festive wonderland. These art pieces are perfect for your living room or bedroom desktop, enhancing your home style and bringing art to life. Looking for a heartfelt gift? This creative diamond art set is ideal for friends and family, allowing them to create lasting holiday memories and convey warm wishes. No experience needed. Our kits are designed for beginners, making it a fun and rewarding activity to enjoy alone or with loved ones. Experience the joy of creating something beautiful with your own hands. Infuse your home with a joyful and warm atmosphere. Featuring classic Christmas elements, these decorations add a festive glow with their colorful and glittery surfaces. What we like. This is a unique DIY diamond painting kit that creates a beautiful acrylic tabletop decoration. It's designed with festive Christmas and New Year elements, offering a creative and artistic way to add holiday cheer to your home or office. If you enjoy crafting, are looking for a relaxing and rewarding activity, or want a special handmade gift that conveys holiday blessings, this diamond art kit is an excellent choice. What people say. Real easy to make them in a short time. This is so cute, lots of detail. Easy to make and stores away easy. Number 1. Sparkle and Bash 16-foot balloon drop net. Transform your party space into a magical celebration with this elegant balloon drop net. It's a sophisticated addition designed to captivate your guests and create an unforgettable atmosphere. Whether it's a wedding, birthday, or any festive gathering, this versatile net is the perfect accent. It adapts beautifully to any theme, accommodating various balloon types for a seamless look. Setting up is a breeze with our easy-to-use design and clear instructions. You can quickly create a stunning balloon drop experience without any hassle, adding a touch of magic effortlessly. This substantial net measures 16 feet and can hold up to 200 balloons. It's perfect for creating a visually stunning display, whether for intimate gatherings or large-scale events. Crafted from high-quality materials, this balloon drop bag is built to last. It's a durable and reusable investment that will enhance many celebrations for years to come. What we like. This is a professional-grade balloon drop net designed to hold up to 200 balloons for a spectacular ceiling release. It's 16 feet long, reusable, and comes with a pull cord for easy operation. If you want to create a truly memorable and dramatic moment at your New Year's Eve party, this balloon drop kit will add an unforgettable element of surprise and excitement for all your guests. What people say. Installation was simple enough, can't wait to use it again. It was amazing and very easy to use. This balloon drop kit is extremely easy to hang, and very easy to operate. A very good value loaded with lots of fun. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.